is the best warm-up that you can do for any video. 10 minutes that's gonna get you in tip-top shape to having the best workout. Okay, girls, so what we're gonna do is just gonna go from side to side, little nice, just easing our way into a workout. Or maybe you haven't worked out for a while. This is also a great workout that you can put on that kind of gets you back after you've maybe had an injury or maybe you haven't worked out for a while. And if you really want to stay committed, because I got a secret for you, 80% is nutrition, 20% is exercise. So if you're not eating the right foods, you're not going to get results, which is why my Burn app not only comes with exclusive workouts and a daily calendar, it also comes with exactly what to eat, plus a whole load of other fun things as well to keep you accountable. Okay, we're going to take it into a lunge either side. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some dynamic stretching. So we're going to typically do still stretching, what we call static stretching, when we're doing a cool down. But when we're doing a warm up, we want to get that blood going to the oxygen. We want to get our bodies moving, and we're going to get those joints nice and loose. Okay, so let's just hold it here for 3, 2, 1, and then over to the other side for 3, 2, 1, and then back over. That's it. So pushing that booty back, pushing that knee out to the side, keeping that chest lifted. We don't want to be hunched over. We don't want the knees to come in. We want to push those knees out to the side and release those shoulders away from those ears. Okay, good job. Let's take it back into some little jogs side to side. Now, what I want you to do is bring those feet together, and that's it. Jump side to side. If you don't want to jump, you're going to step side to side. Everybody can do these workouts on this channel, whether you are brand new to exercise or if you're an intermediate and you are doing like crazy workout stuff, because I make this on different layers so that anybody can do each one, because there's different varieties. Okay, we're going to take it into a stretch either side. So taking that arm across the body, we're starting now just to warm up those abs. Okay, those obliques are engaged. So let's push it up a little bit higher. That's it. Reach up to the sky. Now, let's bend into it. So inhale and exhale. And as you go down into that squat, again, pushing those knees out to the side. Lift up a little bit higher. You got this. Okay, let's take it over. Really just stretching out those side obliques, stretching out those abs, and let's get a little bit more in those bends in the knees. That's it. So push that booty back and straighten that arm right over the top. You got this. This is a great little 10-minute workout to do. You know, even if you don't want to do something full on, you can do this warm-up video. So make sure that you save it and put it on to get your body moving. Okay, we're gonna bring our fists in, and we're gonna have those feet a little bit more narrow and just working those hips. So that's it. Let's twist from side to side. You got this. And let's go for 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna do some hip rolls. So take it over to your right side. That's it, nice and big. Opening everything up, getting those joints working, maybe just having a slight bend in those knees to make sure that you're not locking out those joints. And let's take it the other way. So really nice big rotation, pushing those hips forward and then sticking that booty out to the back. You got this. Hey, kind of feels sexy too. Let's take it back round the other way for 1 and 2 and all the way to the left. That's it, getting everything nice and woken up. Shake it out. Right, let's take it into some nice squats. So just pushing those knees out to the side and then squeezing those glutes. So when we're getting those major leg muscles involved, pushing those knees out, as you do, you want to bring those toes up off the ground and just give them a little bit of a wiggle to make sure that you have got all of that weight into your supporting heels. So girls, I am here to keep you accountable. And that's why the Burn app is so amazing, because our community, you get access to and that's why the Burn group is amazing, because you get access to the Burn Facebook community. Oh my goodness, it's a Facebook page just for members. I do lives in there. I answer your girls' questions. We see so many results, and everybody's keeping each other on track. So all you gotta do to be part of that is go to the link icanfeeltheburn.com and get registered, and you're gonna have so many things sent to you. You are gonna just, it's gonna be so easy to follow along. Okay, so we're now gonna take it back into that little jogging, and now let's bring those heels in front. That's it, little light taps. Inhale through your nose, exhale out through your mouth all the time. You wanna make sure that you're getting that oxygen to the muscles. So bring those heels out, so you can take it forwards, and then heels out. That's it, and forwards. And taking those heels out, you got this. One more time, heels. And if you don't want to do the jumping, great, no problem. Bring your heels out in front, and the same thing is just twisting it out to the side. Okay, let's take it for 3, 2, 1, and those heels for 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna take it into some jumping jacks. So bringing those arms over the top of your head. That's it. If you wanna just step it out to the side, if you're not gonna be jumping today, either do 2 hands or take it 1 arm. It doesn't matter. The goal is to get your body moving. So bring those hands up over the top of your head. Little steps. Here we go. You got this, everybody. And let's just go for another 10 seconds right here. Give yourself a smile that you showed up today. You should be so proud. Now don't go anywhere because we've got so many workouts for you that's gonna help you get results. All you've gotta do is stick around. 3, 2, 1. All right, I want you to come to the edge of your mat and we're just gonna walk it along. Little touch at the end and then take it all the way back. That's it. Sticking that booty back, pushing those knees out to the side. And knowing that with every single movement that you do, you are getting closer towards the results that you want. You're getting closer to a healthy lifestyle. You're getting closer to making this part of your habit, of your routine. Yes, that's what we want. Okay, let's take it one more time, either way, all the way up to the end, and one more time, all the way here. Okay, great job. We're gonna come back to the center. We're gonna come back into those small little pushes over to the side. So a little lunge. We're not gonna take it all the way, but think about pushing that knee out to the side. And that's it. You got this. Keeping that chest lifted, pushing that booty out to the back, and let's go. For 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're gonna hold it out here on a stretch. So feel that stretch on the inner thigh, keep that chest lifted, push that booty back, that knee is out to the side. And you're gonna release those shoulders away from those ears. In 3, 2, 1. Take it over to the other side. That's it, lifting your chest up, booty is out to the back. You are looking so good, everybody. Feel that stretch all through your inner thighs, pushing that knee out, keeping that chest nice and lifted. Give yourself a smile because you are here, you are doing it, and we're gonna take it back to the middle. Okay, we're gonna take it back to some jumps. We're gonna do 2 little jumps either side. That's it, so bringing your feet together and 2 little jumps, almost like you're having a skipping rope in your hand, okay? So it's a great exercise to do to warm up. It's some skipping. If you don't have a rope, just like me, you don't need one. You can just skip on your mat. That's it, and pretend that you have got your own little rope. All right, let's keep going, everybody. We're almost there. Keep breathing, inhaling through your nose and exhaling out through your mouth to get lots of oxygen through your body. All right, so we're gonna take it into a stretch of those quads. So tucking your hips underneath, bring your both knees to touch. We're gonna stretch out that major muscle right here, which is your quad. And you're gonna feel that stretch by tucking your hips underneath, releasing your shoulders down, pulling your belly in. Take a nice big breath in and release down. If you need to hold on to something, great. If you wanna put your arm out to the side, but push down in that heel, that's gonna help lift everything up. Let's take it over to the other side. So bringing those knees to touch, that's it. Scooping those hips underneath, you're gonna feel that stretch even more in your quads. Breathe in, and let's hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, girls, we're doing so good. Let's take it over. We're gonna stretch out that glute muscle, okay? So we're gonna come here, and then we're gonna lift up. So a little bit of dynamic stretching here. So stick that booty out to the back. You can flex that foot too. It's gonna give you a little bit more of a stretch, and let's push it back. Now, this is not where we start. We are just getting started. It's just a warm-up video. I've got so many workouts for you to go on to next. So make sure that you get started with this one and you keep on going. Let's switch over to the other side. That's it. Pushing that booty back and then lifting up. Now spread your toes nice and wide, because what's gonna happen is it's gonna help with your stability. Let's take it down. Okay, you got this. And take it down and breathe. Okay, you can do this. We're almost there, everybody. That warm-up is almost complete, but not yet. We got some exercises we gotta do before we finish. So let's shake out those legs, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna take it into a low squat, and we're gonna stand all the way up to the top and then squeeze those glutes as you get to the top. So push those knees out to the side. Come all the way down, nice and low, really stretching out those inner thighs. Keep that chest lifted. Breathe, and send those weight all through the heels. Take it all the way down to the ground. Push down into the heels and lift up, squeezing those glutes as you get to the top. One more time, all the way down and squeeze. Okay, shake out those legs. We're gonna take it for the last 30 seconds, but remember, Okay, like I said, this is just the beginning. The workout that you want to do next is right up here. It's going to send you perfectly into a great full body workout. Then now you're nice and warmed up, you're going to be able to go straight into this and feel amazing, okay? Because now we've done the warm up, your body's already going, you're already here on the mat. Check out this workout because it's going to fire you up and you're going to burn double the amount of calories that you did just now. Give me 3, 2, 1. Boom! Great job, everybody. Make sure you go check out this video. It's going to burn double the amount of calories, and I'll see you next time for our workout. Stay strong. Inhale through your nose, hold at the top, and exhale out through the mouth. Okay, little pulses forward. That's it. As if you've got like a wall in front of you and you're trying to push it away.